Guys, imagine we have this function here, x squared plus 7x plus 5, and f of x, which is 35, then what is x? Okay? So we have a, which is negative 9, b, which is 3, c equals to negative 2, d equals to 15, and e, which is 7. Those are the choices that we have. Now let's go for it. So we know that x squared plus 7x plus 5 is equal to what? 35, because that's what this statement is saying. So that means we're going to have to combine 35 and 5, which are, whole numbers. So that is negative 35 both sides, correct? So this one is out. So we have x squared plus 7x, okay, minus 30 equals to 0. So now we're dealing with a trinomial. If you guys remember polynomial, which is a trinomial, okay, so we got to factor or we got to use the quadratic formula, okay? So we can factor if that's possible. So to factor it, so we have a, which is 1, right, because there's nothing here, b, which is 7, and then c, which is negative 30. C, which is negative 30. So we take the AC method, if you guys remember that. So that means 1 times negative 30, which is negative 30. And then we got to find two numbers. Two numbers multiply give you negative 30. The same two numbers add up give you 7. What could be those two numbers? So we have multiple numbers. We have 310, for example. Okay? So we have what? We have 6 and 5. We have 30 and 1. Okay? So we have many numbers like that we can, so this is a 1 here, okay? So we have many numbers like that we can run, and then whichever will give us this one, that's what we're looking for. And don't forget this one is negative 30. All right? So if that one is negative 30, so how are we going to get positive 7, and then when you add them up and then multiply, give you negative 30. So that will give us what here? So that will give us positive and then negative here. Okay? So because this one is negative, 3 times 7 is what? Negative times 10, is negative 30. And then negative 3 plus 10, which is going to give us positive 7. So once you do that, you end up with x minus 3 and then x plus 10 equals to 0. So you're going to round the two numbers. So this is x minus 3, okay, which is 0, all right? Then you have x plus 10 equals to a 0. So you solve for both of them. This one is x equals to 3, right? And now we know. And this one is x equals to negative 10, all right? So which one is up here? So 10 is not, 3 is. So this one is our final answer. All right, guys? So you go back, you check your factoring. We did a lot of them already. All right, thank you. Talk to you later.